G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School down here, St. Louis, Missouri. I'd like to say, and look, I may be corrected, but this is almost a one-of-a-kind facility where we have multiple ice cream machines, basically a store built into the back here for education and training. We've got a production area over here with all sorts of flavors, extracts, pastes. Come down for a class, join us on a live stream class, scoopschool.com. We'd love to have you here. One of the equipment manufacturers that sponsor the podcast is Electro-Freeze, and they are based in East Moline, Ohio, and they make a huge range of batch freezers, shake machines, blenders, soft serve machines. Electrofreeze.com. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Your link down below here. Just click on it. Have a look at what they got. Look, in this session I'm going to give you something, just a little tip that I see all around the country, all around the world when it comes to a gravity-fed machine. And it doesn't matter whether you're looking at a gravity-fed soft serve machine or a gravity-fed custard machine. I see this problem all the time where you're pouring your sanitizer into the hopper up here, and it's kind of splashes everywhere, splashes back on you, splashes on the wall. And look, there's a really simple way to overcome that. This is what we call a barrel brush. And we did a video on this very, very early on in the Scoop School process about the value of a barrel brush. It may not always look like this, but they're really, really good to have so far as brushing down the side walls of the hopper, cleaning the barrel out after the end of production for the day or when you're cleaning your machines, even cleaning buckets and different things in the 3-compartment sink. Now, what I always do when I'm sanitizing a soft serve machine is I basically take that brush and I put it into the hopper so it's lying flat on the hopper, and then to avoid any kind of splashback whatsoever, I simply take the sanitizer and pour it on the brush head. And you will never ever, you can pour it as fast or as slow as you want, you will never ever get a splashback. I'm telling you, it's a very simple thing, but you'll never ever get splashback up here on the walls if you put the barrel brush in first, pour the sanitizer on the top of the brush head, and the next thing you're sanitizing. You'll take that brush after you've got sanitizer in here, brush down the side walls of the hopper, and then you're ready to basically extract that out. Simple idea. Don't recall who showed me or whether I came up with it myself. I'd like to think that I'm not that smart really, but there are a lot of little things that you can do just to kind of bring down the aggravation level of the business, and this is one of them. I do want to thank again our episode sponsor, which is Electro-Freeze, this fine Electro-Freeze unit here. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. And look, if you have a question, if you have a conundrum, a problem, or you want to get into the ice cream business, drop us a line. info@scoopschool.com. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.